Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember.
Hey guys, wanted to do a M23 update. We haven't done an update video in a while. Sorry about that. It's been hectic. Just haven't been able to get around to it. So anyway, when you're booking, again, I can't stress this enough. You cannot use the internet. You cannot use the campground's website to book for M23. All those sites are blocked for the group. So you have to call, tell them you're with the M23. The sites that are available, they will tell you. After you do that, you have to contact me so we can, one, update the map, and two, we know how many people are coming so we can, plan accordingly. Friday, we're still doing the karaoke hosted by Captain Jack Scrapper. We do have the pavilion for all day Friday, so if anyone wants to use it for anything else, go for it. We were trying to do a kind of hash bash breakfast type thing, but it seems to have fizzed out. The campground will be putting on a pancake breakfast on Sunday. This is $3 per person. The money then is donated to different charities. Potluck. I need to get the potluck page up and everyone can start filling out what they're bringing. We don't want to have a whole bunch of the same dishes. Last year I don't think we had that problem, but we had tons of food, and that's not a bad thing really. I guess that's what we're known for, is our potluck more than anything. We will be doing a raffle giveaway. There's going to be all different prizes and different things this year. Sorry, I gotta check my black stone. It's telling me that it's ready to put the food on. So I'm going to pause this for a second, put my food on. Captain Jack is still trying to do a cookbook that will have all the different channels in it and all that, kind of a keepsake type thing. I don't know how many people have submitted anything. We're just as bad. We keep forgetting until he posted it, and then we forget again. So on our Facebook group page, he has his email and information on there. If you are not on Facebook or not part of the Facebook group page, definitely sign up for that, or you can email me or Captain Jack Scrapper, and he can fill you in on what's needed. Oh, the other thing is with Captain Jack Scrapper, if you can make a list of the songs that you are willing or wanting to sing for the karaoke, that'd be great. I'm going to pick up a few different karaoke CDs covering like 80s, 90s, 70s, country, all, just a bunch of different ones. That way there's something for everybody. Or just wing it. We're going to have a couple professional singers here, so they might not want to use the karaoke machine for that. They might just want to sing on their own. That's fine and dandy, right? So, if you're bringing kids, let us know so we can try to get some kids' activities. We say that every year. Last year it was just Piper. Year before that was Piper and a couple others or so. I mean, there wasn't too many young kids. But if there's this year, we'll come up with some like arts and crafts type stuff. Give them stuff to do as well, because we want everyone to be part of this. Day pass people, if you're just coming in for the day on Saturday to meet people and all that, I believe it's $6 per car. There's a section for parking. If you're unable to walk the distance from the parking lot to the pavilion, we will have the M23 taxi. Call us, whatever, and we can come and pick you up and bring you to the pavilion. If you are just a supporter or a day coming in for the day, you're still welcome to be part of the potluck, but please bring a dish. It's only fair. It can be a dessert, it can be a main course meal, snacks, whatever, or even paper plates, supplies, anything like that. Everything's always needed. So Sorry, I think I'm starting to get a cold. This weather's crazy here in Michigan. 90 degrees one day, 60 the next. Anyway, yeah, so I'll have the potluck list up soon, and then people can start filling that out. It's just a small little form to fill out. It goes to my email, and then I can update the website. For shirts, the very talented Corey from The Outdoors Life, he designed our logo this year. He designed ours last year too. This year's really, really cool. Totally different. I like it. So we are going to find a company where you guys can go to the website, choose what you want. If it would be a hoodie, a hat, a backpack, a purse, whatever, you can get products with the logo on it. Any profits that are made from those will go towards the M23 and M24 for stuff we need to get this going. We have the website. We have different costs that go into this that people don't think about. I don't really have much more to say at this point. And for the next couple weeks, Nate from LandCloud, he is going to be having people who are going to be new to the M23 up on his panel talking. Check that out. I'm going to try to be there, but it's Wednesdays at night, and I typically go to bed early because I'm up at work very early. So I'll try to pop in when I can, but you can get a lot of information there, and there's going to be a lot of people that can answer any questions if I'm not there. Troy, campground maintenance guy who lives right next door to us, well, not lives, but his site's next to us. He is usually in those chats too, and same with his wife Sandy, and they'll be able to answer stuff as well. And this is my troublemaker. Are you going to help with breakfast?
No.
No? You're just going to watch?
No.
Okay. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this update. I'll put some more information in the links. I'll put more information and links below in the description. And until next time, happy trails.